Here we are with the purifresh on maximum power and the silencer, well, not silencer, the muffler. It is 57.1 decibels or so. I mean, you can see it jumps around, right? But it's quite a strong grinding noise, which is quite annoying. But that's the way it is. So let's try turning it down to the low. Just turn the knob all the way down to low. Now you can't hear it in the video because there's noise filtering in all video editing software. This is 1 meter from the center of the face of the unit, okay? And we go like this. .1 maybe is good. There's nothing else on. It's just me in the kitchen. Wait, one of the printers is on, but it's not making very much noise. And so let's turn it off, and then we'll measure the background noise. That's always important. .44 decibels background noise. And that's not going to have much of an impact on the noise reading. It's, well, a little more than 100,000 minus, or no. Anyway, just do some logarithmic calculations there, and you can see it's not going to have a huge impact. If it's more than 10 decibels, it doesn't really have much of an impact.